Hello, welcome to our comprehensive presentation for the HI6037 Business Analytics Fundamentals Group Assignment. We are group number 25 and I'm Ashani. My index number is MEL3002353. So these are our team members. As part of this project, our team was tasked with analyzing business performance data using Power BI. Then we use two primary datasets. One is W11 Urulu goods, which includes transactional records, and other one is location, which maps cities to state codes. The objective was to derive meaningful business insights and communicate them clearly through visualizations, dashboards, and data storytelling. And our presentation will unfold in three segments. First, uh, we will answer 10 structured analytical questions based on the datasets. These questions test our skills in data cleaning, filtering, aggregation, and um, visualization. And then next, we will walk you through three dashboards we developed using Power BI. So these dashboards provide a high-level summary of product performance, store discounts, and geographical profitability. Finally, we will conclude with reflections on how business analytics drives decision making in real world organizations. Then let's begin with question 1. It asked us to determine the maximum longitude and the state it belongs to. Longitude values indicate east west geographical positions. After loading and cleaning the Urulu dataset in Power BI, we created a table visual and sorted the longitude column in descending order. And then we found that the maximum longitude value was 43.05 linked to the city ID CT571. Using a join operation with the location dataset, we mapped this city to the state number 805 and understanding geographical extremes like this is essential for logistics, especially in route optimization, distribution planning, and regional sales analysis. Let's move to the second question. Here, we were required to compute the total gross margin for each state in 2017, and this involved filtering the dataset by date, joining it with the state data, and grouping the results accordingly. We created a bar chart to visualize the total gross profit. You can see it here. So, total gross profit per state, and some states contributed significantly more to overall profitability than others. These differences could be due to customer demographics, regional marketing strategies, or even store size. Such data allows management to assess which states are performing well and which require operational adjustments. Then, when moving to the third question, it asked about the maximum discount and the store that offered it. Discounts can have a substantial impact on profitability. We sorted the discount percent column in descending order and found that the highest recorded discount versus treasuring 95% given by SG1073 Sparkies. While this could indicate a clearance, sale, or special promotion, it might also flag a data integrity issue or a breach of pricing policy. And business analytics helps identify such outliers for further investigations. And then Question 4. We were asked to find the city with the maximum sales price in 2017. Here, after filtering records for the year 2017 and sorting the price column, we found that the city 198 Fraser had the highest unit price of like $6.11. This is a valuable insight, especially for understanding how price points vary across regions. High prices in certain cities may signal greater purchasing power, lower competition, or targeted premium offerings. Um, and then the question 5, it asked which product was sold at the highest price in the city of Fraser in 2017. By filtering the dataset for that specific city and year, we identified the product as PDS75 nails. So this highlights the value of drill down features in Power BI, which allow users to move from high level summaries to detailed item specific views, and understanding such micro level trends is critical when building targeted marketing strategies or tailoring product mixes for specific locations. So the next one is question 6. It will be discussed by our group members. Thank you.
Here with the highest original sales price for the product in question 5 in 2017, the highest that PDS 75 is sold for was $2,053. We isolated PDS 75 from the dataset to answer this question. Then, by using the data hierarchy in Power BI, we pulled data about the years and aggregated the highest original sales price value for each year. It helps us find the year when a product's price reached its peak. Looking at prices over the years helps you discover how um, inflation, high price products, or seasonal changes affect a company's cost and plans. Um, Question 7. Product category with the highest fixed price in 2016. Uh, in the year 2016, household had the highest total fixed price among all product categories at $7,125. I did this by selecting records from 2016, grouping by category, and calculating the total price. In order to see these totals clearly, stacked bar or column chart from Power BI was employed. Watching the highest revenue generating department from fixed prices helps companies best arrange their stock, set the base prices, and predict future customer needs. Uh, Going to question 8. Uh, Find the segment that showed the lowest gross margin both month and year. Month with the lowest gross margin in which year? In January 2017, the company reported the lowest gross margin with a gross profit of $5,333. When we use Power BI, BI's data tracking methods to rip out the year and month from the date column. Uh, A table was set up by dividing the data by year and month and adding all the gross profit. numbers together row by row. It was easy to notice that April was less profitable since the changes in profitability were clearly represented. It can encourage business to consult past promotions that stock supply other points in their process where there may have been problems leading to lower profit during that season. Thank you.
I am Nimesha. My student number is ADE3262. Let's look at question 9, which is asked us to find the product with the lowest profit in the year with the lowest overall gross profit. We found that 2017 had the lowest annual gross profit. Within that year, the product PDS51 rain jackets had the lowest total profit at only $320.71. Identifying underperforming products helps businesses minimize waste, reduce holding cost, and improve portfolio efficiency. In question 10, we flip the analysis. We identify 2016 as the year with the highest total gross profit. The product with the highest contribution in that year was PDS 75 nails, with a whopping $97,767.87 in gross profit. Understanding which products are core profit drivers is essential for demand forecasting, supplier negotiation, and customer targeting. Now let's look at our three dashboards. Dashboard 1, Sales Revenue versus Gross Profit. This dashboard visualizes the top 10 products based on both revenue and profit. While some products drive high sales volumes, they may not deliver strong profit margins. The dashboard helps management strike the right balance between top line and bottom line growth. Dashboard 2, Store Performance versus Discount. This dashboard compares total sales revenue per store with the average discount offered. It reveals whether stores rely on discounting to boost sales or if they can maintain performance with minimal price reduction. This is critical for evaluation sales effectiveness and profitability strategies. Dashboard 3, Gross Profit by City. This geographical dashboard ranks cities based on total gross profit. It helps pinpoint high-performing locations and support decisions about expanding, closing, or relocating stores. Combined with demographic overlays, this can be a powerful tool for strategic planning.
Hey, this is Hushanpreet Kaur, the student ID CS3039. I am going to talk about a conclusion and reflection. I divide my part in 4 points like practical exposures to data modeling and visualization. The second point is dashboard, simplified decision making. The third one is a revealed geographic and pricing insight. The last one is a reinforced value of data driven strategy. Now I am going to talk about the main conclusion of our presentation. This project gave us a deep practical exposure to business analytics through Power BI. We began with the raw unstructured database and applied a full analytic life cycle, from data preparation and relationship modeling to visualization and insight generation. We answered 10 diverse business questions, each involving different analytic techniques like aggregation, filtering, sorting, joining, and time series analysis. Our dashboards allowed us to present multi-dimensional views of the data. They not only made our analysis easier to understand but also revealed patterns and anomalies that might otherwise go unnoticed in traditional reports. From a business perspective, the insights we generated can help guide strategic decisions in product management, pricing, store operations, and marketing. Furthermore, this exercise strengthened our understanding of the role of analytics in creating a competitive advantage. It has reinforced the idea that business decisions should not be based solely in intuitions but should instead be driven by data. We are grateful for the opportunity to apply our learning in such a realistic and meaningful context. Thankful for you to taking the time to watch our presentation. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.